Mr. Radha Mohan, we had to remind you to go through the law. We had to remind you. You ought to have. Please hear us. You ought to have gone through the law before you settle the brief, before you file the wakalatnama. Not later. This is a duty on the counsel. Don't play with the court.
No, my lord.
It's a very important question. My lord, I appear for the Registrar General.
Yes. And where is the writ petitioner, Mr. Radha Mohan Roy?
My lord, he is in the court, my lord. My junior is there.
Mr. Sanjay Das. Yes. When did you enroll, sir? You please come closer to the mic.
Your Honor, 2014. WB, my enrollment number is WB 1803 2014, Your Honor.
Because in your in your writ petition, you have stated that let us see the prayer.
Paragraph 2, page 3.
The petitioner herein is an advocate by practice and a law-abiding citizen. The petitioner has about 10 years of experience at the bar and has been associated with many matters which have been brought about social impact and have made a difference in the lives of common people. Can you give us one instance where you have filed a PIL, where you are part of a social organization, or being in you're a member of the Bar Association?
Yes, Your Honor.
And whether you have contributed for a social cause. West Bengal was very severely affected by Amphan flood, cyclone. What did you do for that? Don't turn back. Don't turn back. Face the court.
Yes, sir.
You are the petitioner. On the second day, when Mr. Radha Mohan Roy said it's so urgent, heavens will fall if the matter will not be listed, I said, please ask your client to be present. You are not present. The person who is standing behind you, we don't know his name, Somenath Sanyal. He mentioned the matter twice. On both occasions, we requested him to inform you that you should be present. Then suddenly they said they want to withdraw the matter. We are not fools sitting here. We are not fools. Never play with the court. If you want this and this to remain on your shoulders and neck, you better behave yourself. Okay. So we are not permitting you to withdraw the matter. And according to Mr. Radha Mohan Roy, he says his prayer stands fulfilled. It is the most, what do you say? We don't want to use any harsh expression. It's an uncalled for submission, which outrightly we reject. Mr. Roy should not have made that submission. He was part of the panel of the central government, appearing for the central government. I think he appeared for the income tax department also. I'm not very sure. But
now I have resigned from.
Yes. We know. So therefore, there should be some sense of responsibility to the court. On the second occasion, when the matter was mentioned, or even on the first occasion, after the vacation bench directed the matter to be listed before the regular bench, we advised your counsel on record, Mr. Radha Mohan Roy, have you please go through the law on the subject, whether such a prayer was maintainable. In spite of that, the counsel was not responsible. He did not have that. But subsequently, he started sending Mr. Sanyal to keep on mentioning before the court. So therefore, as a petitioner, you did not go through the legal position. Your advocate on record also did not want to go through the legal position in spite of having been indicated, nor the counsel whose also name finds place in the earlier orders, who mentioned the matter twice. So therefore, you have to be dealt with very severely. This is not a playground.
Yes.
We are not hearing you, Mr. Rai. We are not hearing you, Mr. Rai.
One humble submission, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, actually, I was not, my junior was there. I met an accident, I got a hairline fracture in my and
All right,
ligament
all
here
right.
in my.
You
For
please
that
take
reason,
rest.
I was not coming, my lord.
No, it's
at
better to
that time.
it is better to immobilize yourself.
No,
Please
now
take
I have
please
recovered, my
take
lord.
doctor's advice. Please
My lord,
don't
we all
strain.
are learning from my lord.
Otherwise,
My
the
lord has,
hairline will become a very serious issue. Hairline fracture at this age, it should not be ignored. Okay.
no, my lord has observed that I was sending my
Judgments.
junior. Actually, for that reason, I was sending because I was not able to move.
No, irresponsible, sir. Irresponsible. As an advocate, member of the Calcutta Bar, said to be practicing for 10 years in a chartered high court with making a false statement in the affidavit that he has done something which has given a public impact. And he has now come out with the truth that he has done nothing. He has done nothing. And all of you are trying to convert this this chartered high court into a football ground. We will not allow it. We will not
My
allow
lord, my lord,
you keep on making a submission. You're tightening the noose. That's it.
my
If
lord,
you
I
want,
was
you just mute your mic, listen to the order.
My lord, one more thing, my lord, one more thing I want to submit. My lord, we all are student of law, my lord, and
Yes,
I
yes.
have a, I was
We
fortunate
had to
enough that,
remind you, Mr. Radha Mohan, we had to remind you to go through the law. We
My
had
lord.
to remind you.
my lord, after that, the
You ought to
matter
have.
was not
Please
listed.
hear us.
My lord,
You ought to have gone through the law before
My
you
lord.
settle the brief, before
lord.
you file the wakalatnama,
My
not
lord.
later. This is a duty on the council. Don't play with the court.
No, my lord.